Imagine the world being stuck for a while. That's what you feel when the power fails. The world runs on the power of electricity, and a -second power cut can even stop our world from being productive. Whether it is a workplace, home, or wherever, we need electricity to make us all feel complete. However, there are numerous kinds of generators available in the market today, and most of them run with gasoline. But these gasoline generators can be really harmful to us and the environment. So, it's time to adapt to a more efficient yet effective way to keep your lights on all the time. The propane generators are now in the markets with greater demands. They are cost-effective and a sustainable way to use the power. So, today the 10 Best Buy team is reviewing the top 10 propane generators available in the market. So let's begin. 10th, Rainier R12000 DF Dual Fuel 12,000 Watt Portable Generator. Rainier is an outdoor power equipment which you can get your hands on at a reliable price. They're convenient for any location including home, work sites or RV as the source of reliable energy. It also comes with an easy-to-use one-touch electric start switch and backup recoil start for trouble-free operating. 9th, Pulsar PG 7750B Dual Fuel 7750 Watt Portable Generator. With a very low oil shutdown and fold-down locking handle, Pulsar PG 7750B Dual Fuel 7750 Watt portable generators are suitable for every location. They also have this electric push start which helps for the easy up and running, making it a hassle-free generator to use. The durable frame and convenient drop-down handle and the 10-inch never flat wheel helps for easy portability and storage. So, if you are looking for a sustainable yet affordable propane generator, then this one is where your search ends. 8th, Pulsar G12 KBN SG Heavy Duty 12,000 Watt Portable Dual Fuel Generator. Another one from the family of Pulsar, these generators are also affordable yet effective, making it an option everyone can choose to have. It also has an electric start that makes the generator quite user-friendly. The 3-in-1 digital meter displays frequency, hours of run, display voltage, and automatic voltage regulation for hassle-free usage. This category generator of Pulsar also has a durable frame and convenient drop-down handle, and the 10-inch never flat wheel helps for easy portability and storage, making it a user-oriented dual-fuel heavy generator option to choose from the list. 7th, All Power America APG 3590 CN 10,000 Watt Propane Portable Generator. This is an all-go green option available in the list. They are only suitable for propane, so they are one of the most reliable options available in the list. With a 15 HP 420cc OHV engine, it can produce up to 10,000 peak watts as well as 7,500 running watts, and they run up to 8.5 hours at half load while operating at a 75 dBA noise frequency. They are also easy to carry and portable and contain features such as low oil shutdown, fully featured panel, voltmeter, hours meter, and pilot lamp. The generator also comes with a propane fuel hose, battery, and a flat-free wheel kit, makes it a most worthy and sustainable option available. 6th, All Power America APGG 12,000 GLC Dual Fuel 12,000 Watt Portable Generator. Of all the dual fuel generators from All Power America's roster, the APGG 12,000 GL generator stands out as the best. Equipped with the powerful 459cc OHV air-cooled engine, they can produce up to 9,500 peak watts and 7,250 running watts when fueled with propane and work for up to 10 hours at half load. Along with that, the automatic low oil level shutdown protects the engine from getting any damage, and the quick manual switch allows you to easily switch over the fuel to gasoline to propane. Moreover, the generator is EPA and CARB compliant, making it a trustworthy choice. 5th, Champion 100263 Dual Fuel 3400 Watt Portable Inverter Generator. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option, then this propane generator for sure will fit in your bill. It comes with a smart economy mode which can reduce the electric load, provides quieter operation along with extended engine life and better fuel economy. They are powered by a 192cc engine that produces up to 3,060 peak watts and 2,790 running watts when fueled with propane, and will run for 14.5 hours at 25% load when using a 20 lbs propane tank. It comes with a convenient electric start with 3-position ignition switch, battery included, and cold start technology that ensures a quick start even in cold weather. An optional parallel kit provides a quick clip-on connection that allows you to increase output by connecting up to 2 inverters, making it the perfect combination of versatility and convenience. Fourth, Duromax XP 4850EH Dual Fuel 4850 Watt Portable Generator with features like surge arrest and low oil shutoff that are known to protect the generators from power surges and helps the generators to automatically shut off when it senses that the oil is low, makes the Duromax XP 4850EH one of the best low-maintenance generators you can find for all your blackout needs. The generator comes with an engine which produces 4608 peak watts and 3658 running watts when fueled with propane and works up to 8.92 hours on a 20 lbs propane tank at half load. With less noise and approved emission standards, they are an ideal mid-range propane generator you can choose for all instants. Number 3. Duromax XP 13000EH Dual Fuel 13000 Watt Generator. The Duromax XP 13000EH is by far the most popular generator due to its innovation, quality, reliability, and outstanding customer service from the dual fuel high wattage generators. This generator produces up to 12,350 peak watts and 9,975 running watts when fueled with propane that can power your home, RV, or work site. They are powered by a powerful 500cc OHV engine that can power high voltage appliances and heavy duty power tools and runs for up to 6.5 hours on a propane tank at half load. They also come with automatic low oil shutoff and idle control that lowers the RPMs of the generator when not in use, saving fuel and reducing noise, making it one of the most economical one among the propane generators. Number 2. AI-Power SUA 12000ED Dual Fuel 12000 Watt Portable Generator. If you're looking for a heavy-duty dual fuel generator to power your home or work sites, then AI-Power SUA 12000ED is your best buy. With a dual fuel portable generator, it produces up to 10,800 peak watts and 8,100 running watts when fueled with propane, and the 459cc by 16 HP OHV engine comes with an average runtime up to 10 hours at 50% load with a 20 lbs propane tank makes it ultimate for heavy load. The switch-on-demand technology allows you to conveniently switch between fuel types and when combined with a high-output alternator assures you great peak wattage while starting any appliances and motor-driven tools. So, this option is worth your most heavy large-scale needs. First, Westinghouse WGen 9500DF Dual Fuel 12500 Watt Portable Generator, last but not the least. The most well-grounded among all the propane generators, Westinghouse WGen 9500DF Dual Fuel 12500 Watt Portable Generator is our favorite choice. They produce up to 11,200 peak watts and 8,500 running watts when fueled with propane and is an ideal backup power source for larger homes and is a dependable source of portable power. Along with the push-button electric start makes starting effortless and the remote start key fob lets you access it even from distance. Despite weighing around 220 pounds, the generator is conveniently portable as it comes with a set of heavy-duty never flat wheels, handles and a lift bracket. It also comes with a VFD display that gives you real-time updates with the voltage output, frequency and lifetime hours. So, for those seeking a durable and trustworthy propane power generator, the WGen 9500DF Dual Fuel Portable Generator is no doubt one of the best choices with all the amazing features at an effective cost. Here ends our top picks of the propane generators that are currently available on the market. Now that we have given options to pick from the list, we made it even easier by providing all the Amazon product link in the description box so that you can purchase the products at the most reliable cost. Don't wait for another minute. Choose your propane generator from the list and never let the blackout stop you from connecting to the world. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe to 10 Best Buy.